Assalamualaikum. Dear kids. Welcome to my kids channel Funland for Kids. Today I have to tell you a very interesting story, 3 friends and a fisherman. Do you know what is meant by fisherman? Oh yes, good, you are right. A man who catches fish is called a fisherman. It's a very interesting story. For more interesting stories, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now we start our story. Let's start our story. A large pond has many fishes living in it. Of all these fishes, 3 are best friends, who are always together. They never leave the side of each other. One day, a fisherman comes to this pond. Seeing lots of fishes, he invites other fishermen to cast nets. The 3 fishes worry about getting caught and killed by the fisherman. The other 2 fish try hard to convince their friend, but they fail. So they decide to part ways and leave in search of a new pond. On the following day, when the fishermen arrive, the fish, who was unwilling to leave, gets caught and dies.